was out getting faded till she hit me up. She heard I was on it. Girl, you trip too much.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this super bold orange and purple, yellow, everything cut crease look. This look is inspired by an artist on Instagram. The artist is low_lavxo, and she did this look on a client or a model or something, and I just decided to recreate it and just like touch it up a bit to fit my own little style. So yeah, this is the look. It's really beat. I really love the way it came out. It took me forever to do it, but it was definitely worth it because I love this look. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by priming my lids with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer today, and I'm using like this really light one. This is Golden 40. Using this Luxie 209 large shader brush to buff the concealer out. I look crazy, but that's just how life works, honey. Okay, so. Okay, so I'm gonna be using, oh wait, actually I'm really dumb. I am gonna be taking the Certify the Affinity palette. Ooh, so pretty. And I'm gonna take this shade right here, this orange shade called Sonia and Shireen. I'm gonna take those two shades and I'm gonna pop that in my crease by just patting on those colors. Really pressing it in to make sure it's nice and pigmented before we start buffing it out. And I'm using my Morphe M433 brush to do so. And this is like something that's gonna look crazy before it looks good, so like yeah. I'm gonna go in with my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. That looks absolutely horrendous. I'm gonna take this purple shade right here, and I'm gonna use that to deepen the crease. It's kind of hard to like build the shadow with, like build on top of this Certified shadow. That's the only thing I don't really like about their shadows, but yeah. I really have to build and build and build. A bit of black eyeshadow and the purple just to deepen it up a bit in the crease. Have some more definition here. And I'm using this Sigma blending E36 brush to do so. And I do have a code with Sigma. It's just Makeup by Shaniah to save you 10%. And now it's time to cut the crease. I'm just going to use that same ColourPop shadow to do so. I'm taking so many different palettes and I'm really sorry about it, but I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here, this orangey situation, and this shade, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part of the lid. Then I'm gonna take a darker orange shimmer and I'm gonna put that on the rest of the lid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some glitter to the lid. I'm gonna be taking this Dark Crushed Minerals glitter in the shade Flirt, and it's like this like orangey, pink, yellowy, green, everything color. That's like so gorgeous. Use my Urban Decay glitter liner as a base for it, just like for something to stick to it. What? Just something for it to stick to. And I'm only putting this on like the center slash like front of the lid. I'm not putting it on the whole entire thing because like, girl, that's kind of doing a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen up my crease just a little bit more. So I'm gonna pop on my lashes. These lashes are the Shaniah lashes from my Yale Cosmetics. I'll leave a link down below for them if they're in stock. If they're not, I'm really sorry about it. But if they are, I do have a discount code with Yale. It's just Makeup by Shaniah to save you guys 10% off of your purchase. So yeah, I'm gonna pop my lashes on and I'll be right back. I have a bun, so if you can't see it, I'm not bald, okay? I'm not bald. Okay, now that the eyes are pretty much done, it's time to move on to the face. So for primer today, I'm going to be using this Becca Backlight Primer. This is like top 5, okay? Period. It's so bomb. And I'm going to mix it into my foundation today. I'm going to be using my Matte and Poreless from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Deep Golden 368. Deep Golden, honey. Okay, now for concealer. That just took me so fucking long to blend. Let me breathe for a second. Okay, now for concealer, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Tan. Because we're trying to be extra beat today. Contour as well today. And I'm gonna take my Pure Cameo contour stick to do so. I haven't cream contoured in a while, so I'm not the best at nose contour, but like I try, okay? I try. I just like to bring it up to the brow a bit. And I just like round it over here. Fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out. So let's do that. So now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my RCMA No Color Powder today. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze and contour my face. And I'm gonna take my, of course, my dusty Juvia's Place palette. So it has black all over because the black eyeshadow literally broke. But I'm just gonna take these two brown shades right here and I'm gonna bronze and contour today, you guys. I don't know what brush I'm gonna use. That I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna use my Burgundy Blast blush from Charity Cosmetics. And I've really been filming for 2 or 3 hours now. I'm gonna take some of that purple eyeshadow we used in the crease. I'm gonna pat it so like I don't get a hella fallout. Some of the orange on the lower lash line right under it. Line my lips with my NYX espresso lip liner. For lip gloss, I'm going to take this Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline in the shade Unreal. And it's like perfect nude. Then I'm just taking a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm just to make it like more glossy looking in the center. Okay. Just like that. Gonna spray my face real quick. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because your girl's trying to hit 10K. Okay, so yeah, I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video description box down below. If I forget, don't be afraid to remind me because I literally always forget to update my description box. So please hold me accountable, okay? But yeah, you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all makeup by Shaniah. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.